Today we are reviewing the Eversecu Solar Security 360, an ultra-bright solar light that looks just like a real security camera. If you want to boost your home security without complicated wiring or high electricity bills, this product might be exactly what you need. Let's dive into its features and performance. First, the design is clever. It mimics a PTZ dome security camera, complete with a blinking red LED that gives the impression of active recording. This visual deterrent alone can make potential intruders think twice. The light sits on a swivel mount, so you can point it exactly where you need illumination. When motion is detected at night, within up to 7.6 meters, 8 ultra-bright LEDs kick in, flooding an area of up to 55 square meters with 500 lumens of light. The light stays on for 20 seconds after motion stops, then turns off to save power. During the day, the solar panel charges the built-in battery, so you get light all night long without any wires or replacement batteries. Installation takes minutes. Just mount it in a sunny spot and you are done. I tested it on my front porch. Setup was easy with the included screws. The sensor was responsive and the light was bright enough to clearly see the whole driveway. The blinking red light added a nice touch of realism. Build quality feels solid with an IP66 weather resistance rating, meaning it can handle rain and dust. Potential downsides? The solar panel needs direct sun. If your mounting location is shaded, performance will suffer. Also, since it is a light, not a real camera, it doesn't record video. But for a budget-friendly deterrent and illumination, it is excellent. Compared to similar products, the Eversecu stands out because of its realistic camera appearance and high brightness. Many solar lights are just lights. This one doubles as a decoy camera. Over time, the rechargeable battery may degrade, but replacement is straightforward. Verdict: if you want an easy, wireless, cost-effective way to light up dark areas and scare off prowlers, the Eversecu Solar Security 360 is a great choice. Highly recommended for driveways, patios, and backyards.